8 months, that's all it took from the first conversation to land allocation, approvals to breaking ground. If you've been following Front Page, you already know we have covered how Andhra Pradesh is turning speed into a competitive advantage. And today, that very speed just delivered one of the most strategic AI infrastructure bets in India, because this is the foundation of the AI economy. Now, of course, let's go straight to what has just taken place. Minister Nara Lokesh announced today marks another major milestone in Andhra Pradesh's journey to becoming India's AI and advanced manufacturing capital, end quote. And with that, Carrier Global, one of the world's largest schooling companies, has officially broken ground on an 863 crore rupees chiller manufacturing facility in Sri City. This facility will build high-end cooling for hyperscale data centers, create 700 plus direct jobs and thousands more indirectly, power India's next wave of AI infrastructure. And of course, this is that moment when we need to connect the dots. AI runs on data centers, correct? Data centers run on compute, and compute runs on cooling. Because the moment you scale AI, you're not focusing on cooling rooms. These are actually mechanisms of cooling for machines that think. And Andhra Pradesh made a very strategic decision. Don't just host data centers, own the supply chain that powers them. As Lokesh said on stage, data centers in isolation will not capture the real value. We must build the entire ecosystem, end quote, which includes cooling systems, power electronics, precision manufacturing, full stack infrastructure. This is, of course, a shift from consumption to ownership. And now, the number nobody is really talking about, 5 gigawatts. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the scale Andhra Pradesh is targeting for data centers in Vizag. To put that into perspective for all of you watching, Bengaluru today is at 250 to 300 megawatts. Vizag's ambition is 5,000 megawatts. That's nearly a 20-time major tech city. At that scale, and that's exactly why Carrier is here. Sri City is no longer just an industrial park. It has become way more than that. It is now looking like a global cooling hub. Already, there are 250 plus companies, 31 countries are represented, $6 billion plus in exports, 70,000 plus in jobs, and now a full-fledged HVAC and data center cooling system. Lokesh called it out. Andhra Pradesh has already earned its distinction as the cool capital of India. Well said, end quote. And of course, the ambition, 60% of India's AC manufacturing by 2027, 80% by 2028. This, I believe, is a cluster economics clearly at play. Now, I would like to address the elephant in the room. I waited. Now, I'll do it. How did this happen in just 8 months? Well, because Andhra Pradesh is selling something very specific, speed of execution. Lokesh said this, "We have closed deals over Zoom calls. Speed is the cornerstone of our state," end quote. Wow, that is truly remarkable. And then, of course, came the line that defines the true narrative. "We have a double-engine bullet train government," end quote, referring to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, both in his words. So 75-year-old youngsters with the energy of 3 25-year-olds, end quote. But here's actually where the story gets quite grounded. Lokesh made one thing very clear. Our goal is not just to attract investments, we must create 20 lakh jobs, end quote. Because, well, when you talk to people on the ground, honestly, that's what matters. He, of course, even shared a moment from today. Farmers asking for one thing, give locals an opportunity. And this is where AI infrastructure meets real India. And now, of course, the front page take. I guess it's nice and it's very proud for us to all say on front page, it's official now. Amravati, the quantum capital, Vizag, the data center capital, and Sri City, well, it is now officially the cooling capital. Remember, you heard that first and exclusively on front page. And of course, speed matters. So what are you waiting for? Like, share, subscribe, and please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, always remember, think AI, think AIM.